Hello, my name is Kenwood Peters, owner of easywebdeals.com and a front-end developer or web developer. And yes, this is my website, and it's a HTML website that I created. Okay, I'm not here to show off my website, so let's go into what I really want to do today. Okay, so what I want to do is to show you how to have your website indexed by Google using Google Webmaster tool. I'm going to show you how to add your website to Webmaster tool. That's one. I'm going to show you how to add a sitemap to your website, whether it's HTML or WP or WordPress. And I'm also going to show you how to add schema markup to your website. Schema is just another brilliant way to have your website found and give you great SEO ranking. Okay, most persons don't teach that, so today I'm going to show you how to quickly do all of that. Okay, so one, we're going to add a website to Webmaster tool, and let's go right ahead. First thing you do, head on over to Google and type in Google Webmaster. I already did that, and the first result is what we need. Then we sign in. Because I was already signed in, it's going to take me straight to the home page. I want to add a property. Okay, that's the first thing you want to do, is add a property right here. And what I want to add today is, okay, so if I want to add my services. So I'm adding services.easywebdeals.com, which is my services page on my website, easywebdeals.com. So first thing we do, we click add. Okay, and then Google wants us to do 4 things. One, to download the HTML verification code. I'll show you what we do with that. They want us to upload it, confirm, click. It's okay if you don't know how to do any of those things. I'm going to walk you through step by step. Okay, so first thing we do is click on that verification file, click download it. Okay, save it somewhere you're going to find it rather easily, and where you don't have to search for it. Okay, I did those before, but I'm just showing you. I'm walking through again. Okay, so I'm gonna hit save. Okay, now that I saved it, I'm gonna head on over to the cPanel that I want it on. Your dashboard might look a bit different. I chose to have this particular website using a theme that is a bit different from the norm, and that's okay. All you need to do is find File Manager. It's pretty much the same things you'll see under Files in your cPanel, Databases. And so I click on File Manager, which will take us to another page where we're gonna click on, what you want to do is click on public_HTML. Okay, and that's it. So we want to add that file we got from Google, the verification code, right here. So we're now gonna find it. It's in downloads, and I have it here in website backup. Service, Easy Web Deals. Okay, and this is the one that I want. That's the last one I downloaded. And so click that, click open. Doesn't take a lot of time, it's already there. You click go back, then you can see it right here. Okay, so I want to rename it because Google is not gonna see that 2 and all of that. Okay, so what I'll do is just rename it. That should be fine, and hit rename file. Okay, that's it for cPanel for now. All right, let's head back on over to Google. It says upload, so that's what we did. We uploaded it. Step 3, we're going to confirm it. So, and then by confirming, all we need to do is click that link. First, let me go here and do a reload. Okay, that way. All right, so now I just click that link and it found it. So this is all good. I'm going to close that. And we're on the final step, which is click verify. Congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership of services.easywebdeals.com. So what we want to do is click continue. Takes us back. Okay, there is no data available, nothing is there. So what we want to do now is go to Google index. Okay, that's already there. So what we want to do is click on crawl and add sitemap. Okay, so if you have more than one site, if you did this before, like me, you're going to see I have a list of sites I can choose from. All right, but today all I want to do is services.easywebdeals.com, and so I want to add my sitemap. So first thing we need to do is add test sitemap. Okay, I don't have a sitemap for this, and so what we are going to do is we are going to head on over to, okay, this is my services page. Let's head on over to sitemap. Just type in sitemap in Google again, and we're gonna look for xml-sitemaps.com. That's what we need. All right, what we want to do is go here, and if I'm going too fast for you guys, you can always just pause the video. I'm trying to take my time. At the same time, I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm just gonna add my services.easywebdeals.com. Oops, services.easywebdeals.com. Okay, that seems to be correct. I don't really change anything for this. Use server's response. I don't want to. I just click none and none here, and then I just hit start. Okay. XML-sitemap will do its thing, give us some file to deal with. And while we wait, okay, here we go. It's done. So we have to do just a few steps. So initial website address is services.easywebdeals.com. I need to download the sitemap. All right. So we click on that sitemap. I want it in the same folder with my service Easy Web Deals. Okay, I hit save. All right, now we're gonna head back on over right here, and we're gonna add it here. All right. So what we need to do is upload, select. We're gonna select sitemap. That's the one we just downloaded. It's 100% done. Now we click go back. All right, and then if we scroll through it, we're gonna see sitemap.xml. That's it. So the sitemap is added to our cPanel. This is what they said that we should do. Download the compressed file, download HTML sitemap, HTML. That's for your HTML site. Okay, I have a PHP site. This is the XML. Oh, I think I downloaded probably the wrong one. I should have taken the HTML. Anyway, it doesn't matter. XML is fine. So I'm just gonna download this one just in case we need it. All right, and that's all we need. So we're gonna head back on over to Google, and we're gonna add our sitemap. We are already on again in Google. Let's suppose you are in on the home page. Let's see how we get here, just in case. We're gonna click on other resources. No, not that for now. Click on all. On home, sorry. All right, and services, this is the one we want. Okay, this is where I was trying to get services, so we're gonna get services. That's what we want. All right, and then we're gonna click on crawl and add sitemap. Okay, so we click on sitemap. Sorry, we click crawl. Sorry, CRAWL, crawl, and then we hit sitemap. All right, Again, I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush it so that you guys don't know what to do. So all we're gonna do is add the domain name. I already know what it is, so just gonna hit sitemap.xml, hit submit. If you have HTML, you can click HTML. All right, refresh this page, see what's happened. Okay, it's added, successfully added. XML, boom, that's it. So we covered two things already: how to add our site to webmaster tool, or add our URL. We also covered how to add the sitemap, where to get your sitemap made if you don't have one, have it automatically generated for you at xml-sitemaps.com. And we generated it there. Now we're gonna see how to do it with Google. Okay, so for this example, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head on over to my WordPress blog. It's blog.easywebdeals.com, and I'm gonna show you the dashboard and how I got my XML sitemap on my WP site using a plugin. Very, very easy. Okay, so what I want to do is sign into Easy Web Deals. Not easy. No, I'm gonna go to blog because I already have my sitemap on. Okay, let's just do something. Let's go to services. We just want to verify that the sitemap is working and it's there. So services.sitemaps sitemap.xml. Hit enter. It's a bit slow, so we're just gonna wait on it for it to pop up. It should be any minute now. Okay. Okay, so here we have it. That's our sitemap. Another way we can test that out, let's X that out. Another way we can test it out is to go here on Google Webmaster, go back here and just click here, and it will show us pretty much our sitemap. And this is all that you need to do if it's an HTML or PHP. You can also do the same thing for our WordPress blog, but I'm just going to show you a different tactic for a WordPress blog. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to, I'm going to head on over to blog where I already have it installed, that you will see. I want to go to the admin page. Okay, so here we go. I have an update. I'm not going to do that right now. What I want to do is go in. Guys, the plugin that I use to make it really easy, you can use WP Yoast, SEO by Yoast. You can use that. I prefer to use all-in-one SEO. Okay, and as you can see, all-in-one SEO, I go to, probably you might need to go to Feature Manager, and let me show you why, although you can see XML sitemap right there. But I want to go to Feature Manager instead for now. In one here, okay, I do. Let's go to Feature Manager. As you can see, okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna activate, and I'm just doing that so that you can see. Okay, so now you see XML sitemap is added. If you want social meta, you can also do that. Click activate. Whatever you need, you can. But anyway, what we're dealing with is XML sitemap. Okay, so now we go head on over to sitemap, and you're gonna see how you have to do it from scratch. So all it does is, you see, that's it. Okay, and it's done. It's done for you. Done. So they say view your sitemap. We'll check it out. You see, it's done. Boom, boom, boom. Accessible. You click on any link, it will take you exactly there on that page. For try something, see if it speeds it up. Here we go. Boom. This, the persons can copy the link, or this, come on, for a WP site. You can have this, or you can have this. I prefer this. Of much help to you. Again, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, and may you be blessed.